What's up guys, and welcome to the video on arithmetic. Let's do it. When we're talking about arithmetic on the ISEE, we're really talking about the order of operations. So of course, you guys all know, if you're taking the ISEE, what arithmetic is. It's just addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We got exponents, we got parentheses. But this is all about being really familiar with the order of operations. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown. You've probably heard it, but we're going to go through it one more time. So here we go. The order of operations can be spelled out as PEMDAS, okay? P-E-M-D-A-S. So first of all, the P stands for parentheses, meaning everything in parentheses must be done first. All right, the E then stands for exponents, and then everything after parentheses, then we look at the exponents. We evaluate those next. All right, after that, we have multiplication and also division. And then after that, we have addition and subtraction. So PEMDAS is a really useful acronym to help remember the order of operations. Definitely practice using PEMDAS. Eventually, it will become second nature to you. Now, it's important to note that the multiplication and division, those aren't separate pieces. That is one piece. So parentheses is its own level. Exponents is its own level. Then we got multiplication and division, and they really share a level. When you just have multiplication and division left, you actually don't do multiplication first. You then go from left to right. So if division's before multiplication, left to right, you can evaluate that first. And the same can be said for addition and subtraction. For those, once you have only addition and subtraction, we go from left to right. And to illustrate exactly how to use PEMDAS, we're going to go through an example here where we have quite a lengthy problem. We have a fraction in the beginning, we got parentheses, we got exponents. So let's attack it using PEMDAS, using our order of operations. So first we have parentheses, and I've highlighted there parentheses in red. We've got to evaluate 8 plus 4 and 4 plus 2. So we evaluate those, and of course 8 plus 4 gives us 12, and 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So now we've gotten that piece complete. There's nothing else to evaluate within the parentheses, so we can now move on to the second piece, which is exponents. So we only see one exponent there, and that pertains to the 12, not the 2, just the 12. So the 12 is being raised to the second power. And again, remember, when something is being raised to the second power, we're really just saying it's multiplying itself again. There's two of them that are multiplying each other. That's all it means. It's a count of multiplication. So 12 times 12 gives us 144. So now there's no more exponents. Now we can move on to multiplication and division. So first we see within this fraction, there's some multiplication happening. There's multiplication on the top and there's multiplication on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and evaluate those pieces first. So on top we've got 2 times 144, and that's gonna give us 288. And on the bottom we've got 4 times 6, and that's going to give us 24. So now the last piece is, now since we're still on multiplication and division, now remember a fraction is simply a division problem suspended. So really this is saying 288 divided by 24. So we're going to go ahead and evaluate that now. And 288 divided by 24 gives us a nice whole number of 12. Okay, but we're still on multiplication and division because we got one more division problem all the way to the right, and that is 4 divided by 2, excuse me. So we're going to jump ahead and go ahead and evaluate that, and that gives us 2. So now we're down to 12 plus 7 minus 3 plus 2. It's all addition and subtraction. So what we're going to do is, just like I said, we're going to go left to right. It doesn't matter if we do addition first or subtraction first. We got all of those two to one level, left to right. So first we do 12 plus 7, which gives us 19. And now we've got subtraction in there, 19 minus 3. Let's go ahead and tackle that. And that gives us 16. And then finally we got 16 plus 2 left over. We add those up and we get 18. And 18 is our final answer. That's all for the video on arithmetic. Let's get into some practice problems.